Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. This time around, I'm going to be showing you several of the tips and tricks I've accumulated over the last several years teaching and customizing Bluebeam Revu. Next, I'm going to jump into the review menu again and go down to keyboard shortcuts. Here is where you have a tab for all the tools and commands in Revu. All those tools are listed here and the shortcuts, and you can actually customize them in here. So if you want cloud to be something other than C, say you want that to be X for some reason, you can type it in and it will tell you it's already being assigned to add signature field. Do you want to replace it? So you can reassign those if you want to match your keyboard shortcuts in maybe AutoCAD or Revit or some other CAD software, whatever you're using a lot. And that should bring us right up to the end. I hope you've captured some good notes with these time-saving tips and tricks you can apply immediately to your workflows this afternoon. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.